What's up, YouTube? I just did a Rookies and Stars longevity box with 3 autograph memorabilia cards for that. I'm only gonna show the hits. Worst hit, the best hit. Greedy Vasquez, Justin Suss jersey, numbered out of 299. Freshman orientation, Graham Menard, double jersey, numbered 299. Best hit was Landry Fields, rookie auto, numbered 349. So yeah, peace, YouTube. That's about it. PM if you're interested in anything. Peace.